Hey guys, Sarah from Easy English Club, back with another British English lesson. Alright my lovelies, today I am going to teach you 7 advanced British English words, vocabulary that you can use in your daily conversations. When you guys use these advanced words, you sound more fluent. Native speakers use these advanced words all the time. I know you want to sound more British and more fluent when you speak English. So today's lesson, 7 advanced British English vocabulary words for entrepreneurs, professionals and business to sound more fluent. So let's get started. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button. If you find the video useful, leave a comment. It helps the channel, helps me, helps you too, really. Alright my lovelies, the first one I've picked for you is fascinating. Fascinating. I've noticed my students use the word very a lot. They're either very happy, very bored, or very busy. So instead of saying the word very happy or very interesting, we can say fascinating. Fascinating. I'll give you a couple of examples to help you understand how to use this, and then you guys can sound more fluent when you speak British English. So guys, instead of saying very interesting, you can say fascinating. So, example sentence, I found the director's ideas fascinating. I found the director's ideas fascinating. You practice that one, guys. All right, another example. Learning a new skill is always fascinating. Learning a new skill is always fascinating. So instead of saying very poor, we can use another advanced English word. We can either say destitute or impoverished. Big words, love big words. Destitute. Impoverished. I was almost destitute before I became an entrepreneur. I was almost destitute before I became an entrepreneur. There you go, guys. You can practice your pronunciation with that example sentence. You may have to play it back. All right. Another example, our new employees came from an impoverished part of town. Our new employees came from an impoverished part of town. All right, now the third advanced English word. Example number 3. Instead of saying very rich, we can use another advanced English word. We can say wealthy or well off. And we can also use the word prosperous. That's prosperous. Okay, now to use these words in an example sentence, I've become much more prosperous this year. I've become much more prosperous this year. Another example, they have become very wealthy now that the company has grown. They have become very wealthy now that the company has grown. Instead of saying very angry, hopefully you don't have to use this one too often, we can use the word enraged or indignant. Indignant. indignant or enraged. Now, so instead of saying very angry, we use the words indignant or enraged. What they mean, it means someone's filled with anger. So to use that in an example sentence, we can say something like, the boss became indignant when he was accused of not following the project plans. The boss became indignant when he was accused of not following the project plans. Another example, Tom became enraged when he couldn't find a parking spot. Tom became enraged when he couldn't find a parking spot. All right, guys, advanced English word number 5. Instead of saying something's very big, which is kind of a simple way to describe something, we can use advanced English words such as ginormous or gigantic. You can even say enormous. So there's your 3 words. Gigantic, ginormous, or enormous, which sounds kind of similar. Now, to use these in an example sentence. Example sentence. Rewriting the website was an enormous task. Rewriting the website was an enormous task. Another example. Have you seen our new office building? Yeah, it's gigantic. Have you seen our new office building? Yes, it's gigantic. Practice that one, guys. I'm listening. All right, next word. Example number 6. Instead of saying very crowded, we can say jam-packed and say cramped. Now, an example sentence. Example sentence. The meeting was jam-packed. Couldn't find a seat anywhere. The meeting was jam-packed. We couldn't find a seat anywhere. I couldn't find a parking place this morning. The top floor was jam-packed. I couldn't find a parking space this morning. The top floor was jam-packed. The meeting room was cramped. We had to stand at the back. The meeting room was cramped. We had to stand at the back. All right, guys, advanced word number 7. Instead of saying very funny, we can use the word hilarious. Hilarious. It means something's really funny. I tried to be hilarious. All right, back to the lesson. Example sentence, guys. Sentence. Have you met our new team leader? He's hilarious. Have you met our new team leader? He's hilarious. Means he's very funny, makes you laugh, makes a joke. All right, example number 2. We've got some new rules to follow. The team seem to think this is hilarious. We've got some new rules to follow. The team seems to think this is hilarious. All right, guys, that's you 7 advanced British English words so that you can sound more confident, more natural, more fluent when you practice your English. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Leave me a comment, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. You can find down there in the info, you can find some links to the Facebook page, Facebook group, and links to the training course. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll help you improve your English, your vocabulary, your pronunciation. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.